Modernization is not complete when the data is unified. It's complete when finance is activated. Finance is expected to guide the business forward, not reconcile the past. But in many organizations, financial and operational data still live in disconnected systems. ERP, CRM, HR, and operational tools do not naturally align. So finance spends time stitching data together instead of shaping decisions. That's not a reporting problem. It's an activation problem. Microsoft Fabric changes the data foundation. It unifies storage, transformation, governance, and analytics into a single cloud-based platform. Fabric modernizes the data estate. But a unified data platform alone does not activate finance. Infrastructure is necessary, it is not sufficient. Even with governed, centralized data, planning can remain fragmented. Dashboards show what happened. Reports summarize performance. But planning, forecasting, and scenario modeling require more than access. They require orchestration and a solution purpose-built to deliver orchestrated planning. Without structured workflows, write-back, governed collaboration, and financial logic, insight stops at visibility. Modern data does not automatically create modern decision-making. For finance teams, decision quality is everything. Forecast accuracy, scenario speed, risk visibility, audit confidence. When financial and operational data are unified and governed, finance can move faster. But when planning processes are disconnected from the data platform, modernization stalls. Fabric enables trusted data flow, but finance still needs an operating layer. Fabric centralizes your data. Vena activates finance directly on that data. With structured planning workflows, scenario modeling, and governed collaboration inside Excel, Vena turns a modern data platform into a modern finance engine. Power BI shows what happened. Fabric organizes the data. Vena enables finance to decide what to do next and push those decisions back into the Microsoft ecosystem. That is finance activation. If your organization is adopting Microsoft Fabric, first, align early with IT. Finance does not need to own the platform, but finance must shape how it is used. Next, lead with a planning use case. Use Fabric to improve forecast accuracy, accelerate scenario modeling, or reduce cycle time. Tie infrastructure decisions to finance outcomes. Finally, activate. Don't just integrate. A unified data foundation still requires a finance operating layer with workflow governance, scenario modeling, and auditability. Fabric modernizes the data estate. Vena operationalizes finance on top of it. Finance is the hero of this story. Fabric is the infrastructure. When the two align, data investment translates into measurable business outcomes. Lower cost, reduced risk, faster cycles, better decisions. Modernization is not complete when the data is unified. It's complete when finance is activated.